In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the image banner clickable. This is a straightforward process, but requires careful attention to detail as we're working directly with the code of your online store. So let's get started. First, let's navigate to your store's dashboard. Once you're there, look for the Online Store option. You'll find this usually listed on the left-hand side. Click on it, and you'll open a menu with several options. Here, you're going to see an ellipsis, which is the three dots icon situated next to the Customize button. Click on these ellipses and select Edit Code from the drop-down menu. This action will lead you into the backend where the actual magic happens. Now that we are in the code editor, our next task is to locate the image banner file. You'll find a search bar at the top or side, depending on your platform. In this search bar, type image banner. Doing this will present you with related files. You're specifically looking for imagebanner.liquid. Click on this file to open it. At this point, it's essential to have some code ready to insert. The process requires additional code, which you can easily find online by searching for clickable image banner code. Once you've got the correct snippet of code, the next step is copying it. Start by copying the first set of code. Then, return to your imagebanner.liquid file and paste this code in the appropriate spot. After you've pasted the first code snippet, you need to follow a similar process for the second code. Once again, copy the new snippet and head back to your imagebanner.liquid file. Be sure to leave a couple of spaces after the previous code you pasted before inserting this second snippet. This spacing ensures the code remains organized and easy to navigate later on. Now, let's refine the setup by scrolling down to locate the schema section in your code. You might need to scroll a bit depending on your existing code's length, but it shouldn't be hard to find. Once you hit this section, you're ready to paste the third code snippet. As before, leave 2 spaces after the previous inputs before pasting in this segment of code. And with that, our coding work is almost done. Be sure to save all your changes. This is a crucial step to ensure your work is not lost and the changes are applied correctly. Clicking Save usually can be found at the top right corner of your screen, or perhaps on the bottom, depending on your editor interface. Finally, head back over to your online store. Refresh the page, and you should now see your image banner not only visible but also clickable. This clickable feature can dramatically enhance user interaction and potentially improve navigation and conversion rates on your website. With these steps concluded, you now have a clickable image banner. If you followed along precisely, your banner should be ready to enhance your user experience. Enjoy this new feature, and we'll see you in the next instructional video.